Hi everyone, in this video we are going to see how to calculate the combination values as well as the permutation value. The previous video we saw what is the value of NCN, what is the value of NPR, like that. The how to calculate n factorial also. So here we are going to solve the value of combination as well as permutation. Okay. 11C4. How to calculate 11C4? First you have to look these 4. 11C4. After C, which value is there? 4. So what you have to do, first write the denominator first. Always you should write the denominator. What is the denominator will come? This 4 will come, but you have to write in a forward order. That is you have to write increasing order. That is 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. You have to stop till 4 because we have 11C4. And the numerator you have to write by decreasing order from 11 to only you have to write 4 digits because the denominator we have 4 number of values 4. So similarly you have to write from 11 to 4 digits. So how to calculate 11 into 10 into 9 into 8, that's all. 9 into 8, that's all. You mean the denominator value also number of terms we have 4, numerator also number of terms we have 4. Then you just cancel it, or otherwise you can use your calculator also for calculating these numbers. The final answer will be 330. Okay, this is 11C4. So now we are going to calculate 10C3. So how to calculate 10C3? The same procedure. First see the 3 one. Write the denominator. How to write the denominator? The 3 should come. The 3 should write it in a forward order. That is 1 into 2 into 3. And this 10 you have to write it in a backward order, but the number of terms would be only 3. So 10 into 9 into 8, that's it. And you just calculate it. You can use calculator, otherwise you just calculate it. For this value is 120. So next we are going to see 16C3, 13. So the previous video we discussed, so what this result, NCR means NC N minus R. Why, what purpose we are going to use this formula? Let's see. See, for example, this is 16C13. You mean what I mean? We have to write the denominator 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into up to 13. It looks very large. So that's why we are going to apply this formula. Here the value of n is 16, the value of r is 13. Just apply here, the value of n is 16, see n is 16 minus r is 13. So 16 minus 13, 16, 3. So now you have to do this same procedure. So how to calculate? You write the denominator in a forward order, write it in a 3 term. That is 1 into 2 into 3. The 16 you have to go by backward order, 16 into 15 into 14. Then our final answer will be 560. So the same thing, we have one more problem. So 100C98. So you have to use, this is the formula for NCR. So you have to use the value of n is 100. The value of r is 98. So NC, we are using the shortcut results. NC n minus r. The n is 100. C 100 minus 98. So what will come? So 100C2. And how to calculate this? You have to write the forward order, the denominator 1 into 2, numerator you have to write it in a backward order. The final answer will be 4950. The final answer will be 4950. And fifth problem, you have one result, NCN value is 1. So similarly 50C50, the value is 1. 100C100, the value is 1. The next problem. So this thing under the value of NCN, the value is 1. Because this result, using this result, we are getting this value 50C, 50 is 1. Have a look. So next we are going to discuss permutation values. How to calculate the permutation values. Before that, we have to know how to calculate the factorial notation. So we know 2 factorial now, you have to write it in a backward order, 2 into 1. Whether it is 4 factorial, you have to write it 4 into 3 into So 2 into 1 we can write 2 factorial, or otherwise 3 into 2 into 1 we can write 3 factorial. Okay, like that you can simplify this. So the same procedure I am going to apply here. So 30 factorial, how I am going to write? You have to write it in a backward order. You mean 30 into, see the denominator factorial, we have 28 factorial. So 30 into 29 into, from 28 to, you mean I am saying from 28 to up to 1, that backward order we are going to write again the factorial notation, 28 factorial divided by 28 factorial. So this 28 factorial, this 28 factorial, this 28 factorial getting cancelled. The value of 30 into 29 is 870. The value of 30 into 29 is 870. So similarly we are going to see this one. So 25 factorial, now you have to go by backward order, but the denominator is 24 factorial. So write 25 alone. The remaining from 24 to, we have 24 into 23 into etc. into 1. So for these things you have to write 24 factorial. For these things you have to write 24 factorial. By denominator already they given 24 factorial. So these two things getting cancelled, the value of this is 25. So how we are calculating, you got the idea. So next, the third problem, 60p3. You mean what is the formula for NPR? NPR is equal to n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. So we are applying this. N is 60. Here n is 60. So 60 factorial divided by 60 minus 3. So 60 minus 3, which is equal to 60 factorial divided by 57 factorial. So again the same procedure. How we are calculating this 30 factorial divided by 28 factorial, the same procedure we are applying. So that is 60 into 59 into 58 into remaining 57 to remaining those things you have to write 57 factorial divided by 57 factorial. You mean this two 57 factorial getting cancelled, then the final answer will be 20, 53, 20. Just use your calculator, find the value. So again this formula 4p4, yes. So what we are going to apply? The same NPR formula. So we know NPR formula is NPR is equal to n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. So the value of n is also 4, the value of r is also 4. So 4 factorial divided by n is 4 minus 4 factorial, which is equal to 4 factorial divided by 0 factorial. 0 factorial is 1, so 4 factorial. The value of 4 factorial, how to calculate? 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So that is equal to 24. Or otherwise you can do one thing. So already I gave a result. What is NPN? Directly you can apply n factorial. NPN now 4 factorial. So you can directly apply 4 factorial. What is the value of 5p5? That is equal to 5 factorial. So you can apply directly 5 factorial. Have a look. Question, whether it will come permutation or combination. Before that you have to know the permutation is always arrangement, the combination is always selection. From this question, what we have identified, from the 15 players, we are going to select 11 players. So it means you have to do the selection. So that's why you have to apply the number of ways equal to, you are applying combination. That is, from 15 players, you are going to select 15C11. From 15 players, we are going to select 11 players. Then this is NCR, we can use the result NC n minus R. So that is 15C 15 minus 11. So which is equal to 15C, 15 minus 11 is 4. So again do the calculation, 1 into 2 into 3 into 4, the denominator, and numerator you have to go backward, 15 into 14 into 13 into 12. The final answer will be 1365. The final answer is 1365. Okay. Let's see the second one. In how many ways a committee of 5 members can be selected? So selected means combination. Selected. So here the word chosen, here the word selected. So you have to identify chosen, selected. We have to apply combination. In how many ways? A committee of 5 members can be selected from 6 men and 5 ladies consisting of 3 men and 2 ladies. So solution. What is the given total given? The total given on the 6 men. From this we are going to select. From this we are going to select 3 men. Okay. So given ladies. So how many ladies they given? 5 members can be chosen from 5 ladies. From the 5 ladies, so that one only they given 5 ladies consisting of 3 men you have to choose and 2 ladies you have to select. 2 ladies you have to select. This is our selection method. So the answer is selection. Selection means it's combination. So from 6 men you are going to select. From 6 men you are going to select 3 into from 5 ladies you are going to select 2. So you know how to calculate this. 1 into 2 into 3. This is 6 into 5 into 4 and into this is 1 into 2. This is 5 into 4. The final answer would be 200. Have a look.
If you want this type of video, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so that you will get notification. Please share to your friends. Bye.